ॐ नमस्ते शरण्ये शिवसानुकम्पे नमस्ते जगद्व्यापिके विश्वरूपे नमस्ते जगद्वन्द्वपदारविन्दे नमस्ते जगत्तारिणी त्राहि दुर्गे नमस्ते जगत्तारिणि त्राहि दुर्गे नमस्ते जगत्तारिणि त्राहि दुर्गे. Good evening to you all. Yesterday there was some problem, technical problem, and abruptly I had to stop. I was in the first session of Kundalini Yoga, and at the first part of Kundalini's position, that is at the first chakra of Muladhara. Actually, Muladhara chakra, we can somebody call it chakra, somebody mention it as the Adhar, as the container. Like there is 7 upper world and there is 7 downward. According to Hindu mythology, nostalgia, and according to the spiritual feelings, what the great Thakur Sri Ramakrishna has told, whatever there is in this universe, it is in this body. जहाँ अच्छे ब्रह्मांडे तहाई अच्छे भांडे. जो कोई इस ब्रह्मांड में है, ये भांड में, मतलब ये देह भांड में, वो सब है. तो एक्चुअली अकॉर्डिंग टू anatomically in our physics there is all 7 heavens and there is all 7 patals. Patal means the downtrodden area where the Rakshasas, demons, or the negative evil spirits dwells. जहाँ राक्षस, दैत्य, दानव और बुराइयाँ, अशुभ शक्ति যেখানে বাস করে সেটা হচ্ছে পাতাল. তো সপ্ত পাতাল আমাদের শাস্ত্রে আছে. There are 7 patal according to our shastra: tal, atal, rasatal, sutal, nital, talatal, patal. So patal, we know that patal was the Rajya Piyatan Nagaraj, the Rajya of the demons, Bali Raj. From the time of Bali, it is the dwelling place of the demons. And also, starting from the middle, starting from the Muladhara, there are 7 heavens upside. In ascending order, it is Muladhara, from Muladhara to Sadhisthan, then it comes to Manipur at the navel level, and then it comes to the heart, that is Anahata, and then next is the Vishuddha, and after Vishuddha it is the Agya Chakra, or the position of third eye, and finally it is Sahasrar. Now I have already told that I shall explain the features and the figures, not the internal mantras and techniques. Okay. Now the features of, I have already told that Muladhara is connected with the Prithvi, or the earth. Earth Tattva is connected with it. And then comes the Swadhisthana, like Kandasthanam, like ginger, like a ginger, एक अदरक की तरह दिखाई पड़ता है कंदस्थान, जहाँ से हमारा 72,000 nerves has been originated. That is the Swadhisthana. And Swadhisthana is connected with Bhuva Lok. Bhulok, Muladhara, उसका बाद भूबा यानी शून्य। इसका बाद आता है मणिपुर, मणिपुर चक्र, मणिपुर चक्र एट द नाभल लेवल। स्वाधिष्ठान इज जस्ट बिहाइंड द vaginal or penis level, just behind it, and the Manipur chakra is at the navel. Manipur chakra is connected with Swa. Swadhisthana chakra is connected with Swadhisthana is connected with Bankar, Bongbij, yani Barun Dev is connected with Barun Dev. Hari is the god there. Manipur chakra. Manipur chakra in Manipur, at Manipur is the Swati. तो जठराग्नि की जो ये जो अनल है, मणिपुर की जो अनल है, वो रंग की जो अग्निबीज से उत्पत्ति होता है। एक्चुअली दिस फायर एनर्जी, फायर एलिमेंट ऑफ द नेचर इज कंसंट्रेटेड हियर। नेक्स्ट कम्स द अनाहत। अनाहत मीन्स not hurted, जो आहत नहीं है। तो हृदय में हमारी जो है, हृदय मंदिर सबसे बड़ा मंदिर है। हृदय इज द center of the all 36 chakras. It is at the center. It creates the balance. तो यहाँ at हृदय this feelings of Om, the Mahanad, or Om, this is also generated from here, and it also, after generation, it goes to the Manipur, and from Manipur to Muladhar to it returns up to the Sahasrar, and nowhere it got stuck. Anahat, nowhere it got stuck. That is Anahat. The Anahat chakra is the Hriday. Here is at the Hriday. It is the Bhubasa Mahalok. सप्त स्वर्ग की ये है चतुर्थ पैदान. The fourth step, the fourth swarg, fourth heaven is this Mahalok. And since it is Mahat, Mahati, it is connected with the greatness. It is the greatness which we preserve in our heart, and heart is the seat of the deity, seat of our gods. So there is a very important impression of this Anahata Chakra in our sadhana, in our meditation and all. Next is coming the Vishuddha Chakra. Vishuddha Chakra at the juncture of our head and spinal cord, where it is getting connected with this portion, and it is a very, very delicate portion of our anatomy, and here it becomes Vishuddha, the purity. Vishuddha means the pure thing. The purity comes here. the level of escalation of the Kundalini comes here and get impaired, get totally pured with all sorts of energy, and it becomes यहाँ आके ये शुद्ध बन जाती है, और शुद्ध जो एनर्जी वही आज्ञा तक जा सकती है. अभी तक कुछ भी अगर इसमें क्लेद, ग्लानी, वट एवर इट मे बी, एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ perturbation, any sort of pollution was there, maybe or may not be, that will be cleared here, and the ultimate extreme pure energy will head towards the Agga. Agga chakra is that pineal gland in between the two brows, third eye. Third eye is the Gyan Netra. We say it that it is the place of consciousness that becomes opened through the blessings of the Guru. आज्ञा चक्र के उन्मीलन जो होता है वो गुरुदेव से होता है. जो विशुद्ध चक्र में जो है वो सुषुम्नांत की जो विशुद्ध चक्र जनलोक है. इट इज द जन महाजन तप. नाउ the finally Agya Chakra is Tapalok. Tapalok, after Tapalok it is Satya. Satya is the Sahasrar or the final chakra of the crown. The crown chakra, there are thousands petaled Padma is there, and the downward shape Lingam is also there, and it is third, the after Agga, at the coming at Agga, the Shiva and Shakti becomes mingled with each other. By the blessings of Guru, you can get it done. By the blessings of a competent guide, it can be done, and the sadhana will be accomplished there. And from there, through the blessings of Guru, you can run yourself towards the Sahasrar. But after Agga Chakra, there is no right of me to explain more, since everything depends upon your sadhana, your meditation, and the guidance and blessings of the Guru. Your Sadguru will show the way, since it is the way of Samadhi, it is the way of Turiyananda Avastha, it is the way of ultimate place of sadhana. So, this is the primary facts and features of Kundalini Yoga, what I have told you from the previous sessions. I have tried to explain, since many of my students has curious about it. कौतूहल बहुत सारे मेरे बच्चों का है, तो इसे पूर्ण करने के लिए प्राथमिक रूप से जो बोलना, जहाँ तक बोलना, वट एवर आई कैन एक्सप्लेन from my course and from my discourse, up to that extent what I can go, I have told you. আমি আপনাদের বলেছি, আপনারা এর থেকে from this you can gain, and afterwards you can get the guidance and the point, and to the point practice, and practice oriented subject had to be taken from your Guru, and get prepared for that. That will give you the ultimate lesson and ultimate success. जिंदगी में अगर आपको होना है, तरक्की पाना है, सही रास्ते मिलना है, और जो चतुर्वर्ग फल उनमें से त्रिवर्ग की, it is totally guaranteed that you will achieve the त्रिवर्ग, dharma, artha, काम. About moksha, I can't assure you, since moksha is not seen by anybody else, but this is the way of moksha. The scriptures and the gods themselves have told that this is the way of moksha. So, if you do have the confidence upon the gods and upon the spiritual thinking, spiritual knowledge of our ancient treasure, you must practice this sort of, any sort of yoga will give you the way towards this yoga. All of the yoga is making the way, opening for the ultimate crown. Opening the ultimate crown is the target. But there are so many ways and means. There are types, different types maybe. But the target and objective is all the same. So this is the way of yoga and Kundalini yoga. After this, I shall try to explain some other topic, whatever you people will ask, and accordingly I shall try to explain. Thank you. Jai Mata Ki.